Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys a lick I played in this song. He is exalted. A lot of people might know it. A lot of professionals might know how to use it. So, but this is not. I can say it's not a beginner's lesson. I can say it's an intermediate or an advanced lesson. So, but if you're a beginner here, you can actually learn it also. It sounds very interesting, and if you can actually play it very slow, break it down to its simplest level, you will get it, right? So like I said, we're using this song, He is exalted. So now the lick will lead us to land on our sixth, on our La, right? Our La major, right? Or which is, we can say your sixth major, your major sixth, anyone, your sixth major, your major sixth, or your La major, right? So I use La because here in Africa we use a lot of the solfas, right? Solfa notations. Yeah, so and also I tune my guitar one step down, right? Just one step. So yeah, don't get confused, just in case. So he's exalted, he's exalted, right? This is a song actually. Here, so the landing here, that is actually where I applied the riff, right? So yes, so let me just play it again. It's exalted. It's exalted. The King is exalted. Right, so now let me play the lick now properly, right? So this is it, right? Da, da. Oh, that's all right. Slowly now. That is also. So I actually made my sixth the major, right? Like I said, it's a sixth major, your La major, any one of them. So right, so I actually played the major shape there. So yes, so he exalted, the King is right. You see how it goes, right? He's exalted, King is right? You can actually sustain it, right? And for you to just cut it, like, just it's dependent on what you guys are arranging or how you want it to feel, right? But that is just the lick, right? So you see it, right? Or you can actually make it ring, right? So let me just spell it out. So when I play this, my six, La, Di, Mi, right, which is my six, my flat two, right, my three, right? So 6, flat 2, 3. So La, Di, Mi, that's the first line, right? Then I played the dead note here, right? So La, Di, Mi, Di, right? So La, Di, Mi, then your La, La, Di, Mi, La, then the dead note, La, Di, Mi, La, La, Di, Mi, La, right? Right, so La, Di, Mi, La, La. So, but it's like I said, it's a dead note, it's not pronounced. done. Immediately I just played that, I also played the same shape, but I played la, di, re, mi, la, just the same. So la, di, re, mi, la, the normal major shape, right? So this one is la, di, mi, la, then la, di, re, mi, la. You get it? Then you can allow a ring, or you can just cut it anywhere. So down, two. You get it? So let me call it out again. La, di, right? Mi, la. So which is your 6, your flat 2, your 3, your 6, right? Then once you play the 6 here, then you just play the dead note here, right? Then that is not pronounced. The note is not pronounced. And then you're the same shape, your 6, your flat 2, your D again. Then here we play your 2, then your 3, and your La here, which is your 6. So 2, 2, damn. You get it? Sorry. You see how interesting it's sounding, right? So let's try it now. Let's go. Right? Let's go. Right? Then before you go to right, the other part of the song. So let's go again very slow. So so like I said, let me call it out again once again. So la, di, right, mi, la, then the dead note, right? So la, di, mi, la. So your 6, your flat 2, your 3, your 6, right? Your flat 2, then play sorry, your 6 again. Then you play a dead note, then your 6, your flat 2, your 3, your 3, right? Your 6, your flat 2, your 2, your 3, right? And your end with your La. So wow. To go. To go. Let's go. So try to make sure your notes are clean and clear, right? It's actually going to make it sound interesting. So sorry, I'm just trying to repeat it so you can actually get it more better. So right? That's all. Again. Just try as much as possible to play it on a slower tempo till you get it right. So yeah, so that is actually all about the lesson for today. So just try out the song. So now it's not necessary for you to actually use this particular song. You can use any song that is going to that particular progression, right? Any song that is actually making you to land on that major sixth, right here. So you get it before you just go to the next one. So yes, so this is all for today. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I would love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop videos. Yeah, so from here we'll just move forward. See you soon.